Well, hi there again, folks. Now, you may have seen the maiden of my scaled down Mini Flight Test F22. Flew really nicely, but very underpowered, as you can see in this little clip. Could just about keep it in the air. Anyway, decided it needed a bigger motor, so out with the tiny little one that was way too small, and in with this one. And you may have seen a build blog of my latest little mini chuck glider creation, which I'm very well pleased with. I think it's so pretty. Anyway, the other day, having made a couple of changes and having a new build, I felt quite obliged to go and have a couple of test flights. It was a totally unsuitable day for 200 grams or less models, but coming up are the warts and all test flights for both of these. So here we go. First off, the F22, which had more than enough power but was very twitchy and had way too high throws. Gonna wait for a lull. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no problem. So that's half throttle. Whoa! 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 And it bounces all right. You know what happened there? I flew into the sun. Hopefully it survived that. I tell you what, because it's light, it bounced well. Keep out of the sun. Bent the nose. Rather damage check, considering that did a cartwheel. Ah, well. Trim seems all right, so make sure I'm going to stay over this way. Oh, it's twitchy. Three-quarters it needs. But it's windy for it. Look at that, it's going sideways. I was attempting a loop then, but it stalled. But that flies well. It's too windy really for me. Let's stay upwind. Whoa, right. I did the downwind, throttle back too much. Not enough power. Fell out the sky. Good thing about this stuff is you get a nice soft landing. Considering the way it bounced before, that was remarkably damage free. Anyway, well pleased with that. I think it needs a bit more expo and smaller throws, because it was extremely responsive. But the question is, am I going to risk my best ever Lidl Mini chuck glider twin motor version conversion? There's a lull, actually, it's encouraging me to do it. I reckon I will. Okay then, well here it is, the Lidl Mini chuck glider with twin motors, twin brush motors. I think it's my prettiest ever Lidl Mini chuck glider. I've done a solo and I've done a 4-engine one, so this is the twin engine one. And I'm going to give it a little throw just to see if it's actually going to have enough power. That's the main reason for this test, and if it seems to be handling okay, I will attempt to fly it, but it is way too windy. I'd have preferred a windless day. So wish me luck with that one. Put it on high rates. Throw it high. Oh! Ooh! Well, straight up and straight backwards. I'll give it some down trim. And don't throw it up. It might be centre of gravity problem. Right, let's have another go. Trimmed it down a bit now. Right, wait for a lull. Whoa. Well, I think it's a bit challenging conditions for it. It certainly flies enough power. I had it on high rates, so it was very twitchy. I will try it again. Look at that, it's just too windy. Right, take it off high rates. Okay, let's see what the glide's like without any power. Whoa. Still going straight up, isn't it? Let's try that again. Yeah, still going straight up. Okay, well, I've put the elevator at neutral, and when I throw it now it seems to be going pretty straight, so we give it another go. If it still wants to climb like crazy, I'll move the battery forward a bit. But wish me luck. Shame about the wind. She does fly. Considering how windy it is, 3/4 throttle. Whoa! She does fly. Well, look at that. Just wants a bit less wind. Okay, well, I've proved my model flies. Whoa, and into the deck. Good thing about lightweights is they bounce well because there's no mass there, so there's no inertia. Right. Just prop hanging there in this wind. So gusty. I've been trying to do a nice landing, but every time I do you get some gusts. Let's see if I can just perfect. So the little mini twin, if you want to build one of these, check out my very clear and detailed build blog. So don't forget to check out the 4-motor version, which I made with drone motors, and the single motor version, which is the simplest one, of course. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. I'm glad this flies. I wasn't quite sure whether there'd be enough power. It's all very just guesswork, really. But thanks for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed this, and hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Happy flying. Bye for now.